All right, good morning. Welcome to Buck Don't Know Shit. It is another beautiful, beautiful day in Texas. Beautiful day in the garage, and I just wanted to do a Mustang update for my YouTube channel. This is it. It looks pretty rough. So you can go back, I'll link it up here. The first video I did on the Mustang. I have not posted any other videos on the Mustang. Still releasing Thunderbird footage over there. I'm almost done with all the Thunderbird footage, or the majority of it, and we will be moving on to new videos showing the Mustang. But just wanted to show you, I am working on it. It looks worse than it did in the first video. It has definitely been taken apart. I have found some things that needed to be addressed. See, there's no engine, no transmission, no suspension, no doors, no fenders. Well, I got one rear quarter fender, but yeah, no cowl. Don't know that I needed to do that, but I did. So anyway, and I'm about to work on this front radiator support. That'll be a video in the future. Probably be a while before I get to that, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. I just wanted to update y'all. It's been a minute since I'd released anything on the Mustang. Didn't want y'all to think I had given up on it. It is still a project. There will still be lots and lots of videos on this old, I don't want to say piece of shit, but it definitely more work than I thought it was going to be. And some things I knew, some things I was kind of like, you know, maybe I don't need to do this, but then I got it and I was like, yeah, I probably need to fix that. And yeah, it's gonna be a lot of work, but it's YouTube footage, right? It's what we do here, so whatever, we'll get it done. I am excited about it. It's like now I'm at a point where I'm pretty much done taking it apart, and it is starting to slowly go back together, or it will be anyway, the next few weeks. I should have most of the metal work done, I'm thinking. It's December 2025 right now, and I will be working and be gone a lot in between now and this summer, but that is my plan, is by this summer to be completely done with metal. I am buying a rotisserie, so done replacing metal, done cleaning, priming, getting ready for paint, probably undercoating while I have it flipped over before I put suspension and everything on. Whatever undercoating I decide to use. And we will discuss all that. So many freaking options, things to discuss and think about when it comes to priming and painting and prepping a car that is in this condition. But we're gonna do the best we can, and I promise you, whatever we do will be better than the way it is right now. So, and yeah, I mean, end of the day, it's not a show car. It is a probably everything nice, running, rust-free. It's a $15,000 car, you know, end of the day. Maybe 20 to the right person with the right features, but yeah, it's not an expensive car, so we're not going to go completely crazy trying to get this car in, you know, mint condition. It's not going to be in mint condition. It's going to be in good condition. And it's going to be good, reliable, leak-proof, I'm hoping. I didn't quite get there with the Mustang, but that is my goal, is to not have one, engine transmission leaks, oil leaks, and two, you know, just interior staying dry. That's the other kind of leak that I'm worried about. So that is my goal with this car, leak-free, good running. We are going to go with upgraded suspension, front and back. We've already got an upgraded 9-inch rear end. We've got an upgraded engine that I think I'm going to use it. I'm redoing some stuff on it, but it's 351 Windsor. Probably going to go fuel injection. It means I got to change the intake. got to get the fuel injection system, got to fuel cell. I don't know if I can use I have a new tank, brand new tank. I don't know if I can modify it or if I would just be better off buying one that's already set up for fuel injection. So these are all things way down the road. I don't even know why I'm talking about it. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm doing. That's it. So let me quit talking, quit daydreaming. I've got a lot of work to do. So, and I do know what I've got to do today. So let's get started. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye.